Hey guys, how's it hanging? My name is Austin Plays, and today I have not done in a long time a Yu-Gi-Oh unboxing, unbagging. I don't know what the fuck to call this anymore. Something. Now I will be doing like 1-2 videos today. I'll try to do one, and if I feel up to it again, up to recording again, I'll record another one. I'll do whatever. But yeah. I will be playing a game with one of my friends, not a YouTuber, but oh crap. Okay, well, this is going out to shit. Okay, here we go. Oh, I finally got it. Oh man, that took way longer than it should have. I think it's... Okay, well, whatever. So, there are... one foil card in each pack, in every 9 card pack. So 9 cards in here. We'll be going through these, and if I can get it open. Got it. Wow. Okay. The Saber Tutu Bon. Shino Bird Power Spot. It's continuous. Ooh, that's good. That'll be handy. Okay. Synth Amplifier. Okay. I got a ritual card here. Shrino Brana's Peacock. Oh, okay. This blue one, Foolish Burial Goods. Okay, Reincarnation. Okay. Machine Angel Absolute Ritual. Beginning of Heaven and Earth. Blackluster Soldier. Okay. Then finally, Cypher. It range, I have no idea. Okay, so that actually some really good cards, ironically enough, and I might actually use these two. I think I might actually put these two in my deck, just because it says Birds Calling, and this is a Bird card, so I'm gonna use it as a ritual card. This is good. So, go back through them. Hope you guys can see that. Yeah, I'm gonna do this. So that has been my unbagging and unboxing. Again, I don't know what the fuck to call this. Of my Yu-Gi-Oh! Trading card pack. Raging Tempest. Oh hey, I opened up a bunch of these before. But yeah, Raging Tempest, good cards. Had a Pendulum Monster, didn't get any Pendulums. I got a Fusion though, that I can actually use finally. So, yeah, this has been Awesome Plays. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Next video. Again, I will be doing like 1-2 videos a day. One on days when I'm kind of groggy, because again I had a tooth removed, so I'm not up to 100% yet. But I will be hopefully recording another video right after this of a game called Mainland. So yeah, so this has been Awesome Plays. Like, share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys in the next video. And I hope to see all of you beautiful bastards in the next video. So yep.